Alright, the topic is nothing but the relative velocity. Okay? How we can determine the relative velocity. Okay, so there are only two cases possible. The first one is what we can say when two objects are in motion in what we can say in same direction. Okay, so let object A and B, we let the object A and B. So in this case, what happened with their velocity in the same direction is what? So the relative velocity of, let's say, A with respect to B will be VA minus VB. Okay, their difference, right, is the relative velocity. Okay, and in case second, what is that? It's when the two objects are in motion in opposite direction. Okay, just read the word carefully. It's in opposite direction. So for that, for the same object A and B, the relative velocity VA and VB will be what? VA plus BB. Okay, did you get this? So when two objects are in motion in the same direction, so if we talk about relative velocity of that object, so the difference will be the relative velocity of one object to others. Okay. Similarly, in the second case, when the two objects are in motion in like opposite direction, okay, so in that case what happens, that their velocity gets added, okay, gets sum up. Okay, so just have a look for a second. Alright, so as you can see, there's a problem. So there's a train running from, object running from Delhi to Ambala and Ambala to Delhi, and the distance from Delhi to Ambala is 200 kilometers. Okay, so let's say a man A starts from Ambala, or you can say it would not be the man, I guess. It will be the, you can say, any vehicles starts from Ambala to Delhi with the speed 30 km per hour, and similarly the B starts from Delhi to Ambala with a speed of 20 km per hour. Okay, so you have to find like the time when they will meet each other. Okay, so in this type of question, what we can do for the solution, as we have already seen that in the opposite direction their velocity was what? Gets added. Okay, so as you can see, it's running from Ambala to Delhi. That is, you can say velocity of A is nothing but 30 km per hour, and similarly from this velocity is what? BB, which is nothing but 20 km per hour. So you can see this is A and this is B. So they are moving into the opposite directions. Their motions are in the opposite direction. So what happened with their velocity is what? B A B will be what? VA plus BB, which is 50 kilometer per hour. Okay. Now we need to find the time. So as simple, you can find the time. So as we know, the speed is what? Distance upon time. And for the time, what we can do is, it's a distance upon speed. So what is the distance is 200 kilometer. 200 kilometer by 5, and when we calculate it, we will get 40 kilometer per hour. Okay. So this is how we can solve this, right? Just have a look. So thank you so much. Keep watching my